The biggest name in digital marketing just put his name on the tool you've been using, and most small business owners have no idea what that actually means for them. Most small businesses are still fighting for attention with outdated tools. Meanwhile, the biggest voice in digital marketing just backed the platform that changes all of that. Here's what happened and why it matters to you. Digital marketing expert Neil Patel, co-founder of NP Digital and one of the foremost experts in search engine optimization, delivered a keynote exploring how AI search, brand authority, and structured data are changing the way businesses attract customers online today. He was the highlight of the High Level India event in New Delhi recently. So what is Go Highlevel? Highlevel is an all-in-one CRM, automation, and AI platform for small business. Neil and NP Digital are co-developing AI and SEO tools directly inside the platform. For small business owners, this means that Go Highlevel is about to get significantly smarter. Here's what this partnership actually means for you as a business owner. Neil and his team are building them, not third-party integrations, not workarounds built in. That means smarter lead generation, automated content, and SEO tools all in the same platform you're already using. If you've been using Go Highlevel and your clients or competitors didn't take it seriously, that's about to change. Neil doesn't attach his name to tools lightly. Neil's whole stated mission is to help small businesses compete with enterprises that have entire AI teams. Go Highlevel's automation and AI is the vehicle. Here's the part most people are missing. Neil's whole stated mission is to help small businesses compete with enterprises that have entire AI teams. Go Highlevel's automation plus AI is the vehicle in which Neil has decided to attach his name to. Competitors who aren't already using AI automation are already falling behind. This partnership signals Go Highlevel is investing heavily in making AI accessible, not just for tech-savvy users. The features coming out of this collaboration will help with lead gen, follow-up, and SEO. So what do you actually do with this information? I'm going to be covering every major update that comes out of this partnership, the AI features, the new SEO tools, all of it right here on this channel. So don't wait on this. The businesses that move first on these AI tools are the ones that will win. If you're not on Go Highlevel yet, the link is below. Try it for free. You'll also find very helpful Go Highlevel tutorials right here on this channel. So if you're a small business owner and you want to stay ahead, make sure you're subscribed. Drop a comment below. What feature are you most excited about? And I'll see you in the next one.